Hi Derek, I'm in the workshop today, so I thought I'd just do a quick video response to assist you with the problem that you have with your Bosch dishwasher. You say you've got model number SGS45C12GB/16. Now basically I'll read the email so other people can understand as well, whoever may stumble across this. Your dishwasher inlet and outlet both clear. It is not the pump or the micro switch on the polyester float. That's the anti-flood device in the bottom of the machine, by the way. After watching one of your videos, I think it is the flow meter. Could you supply me with one? Regards, Derek. Okay, Derek, let me explain. Firstly, in the description on this video, I'm going to put a link that will take you through to a specific page where I have got a specific video on this flow jug that you think you have a problem with, but I'm going to go through on this video and just explain a couple of things. Now, I don't have a dishwasher on the workbench at the moment, but I thought I'd quickly make this for you. You're saying the indicator light on the actual front panel is coming on. Let me explain the whole cycle. When you first turn the machine on, you should hear the pump emptying the water for 4 or 5 times. Then the machine will start to fill with water. You may hear a small amount of water going into the machine, but it may time out because the actual flow jug, and I'll put this up on the screen here for you, the flow jug is rotating or not rotating, but the electronics in it may not be sending the impulses to the circuit board. So therefore the circuit board does not detect any water going into the machine. So it goes into safety mode and stops and empties the water in the machine, and the cycle will finish. This is normally the flow jug that is the problem. But I'm going to tell you another problem which I'm fully aware of that may happen. On the left-hand side of the machine, if you take the panel off, you will find what we call in the industry a flow matrix. This is a water chamber where the water goes through a ducting system before entering the machine. On many occasions, I have seen these clog up and cause problems with the machine. Now, they are very difficult to clean. You've got a nut in the back left-hand side that needs to be removed. It's where the water comes into the machine, but you're going to have to undo that, and you're going to have to take the whole matrix off the side of the machine. So do have a look carefully at how it clips in, and I believe there's a couple of screws as well which are hidden in the matrix that need to be undone to take it off. And you're going to have to try and clean this. Now, the problem being with these is they are sealed. It's a very thin piece of plastic, and I haven't got one in the workshop at the moment, and it doesn't come apart. So the only way you can clean it is with high pressure water blasting through the inlets at the bottom. I would take it into the shower myself, take the shower head off, and I always use the pipe from this, or I use a hose pipe outside, and try and blow the crud that builds up in there out of the system. Now, if it won't come out, sometimes you have to give it a bit of a rattle or knock in the area where the sludge is, and then blast it again, and keep repeating this process until you get it all clear. Because if the water does not flow through this matrix correctly, it can cause problems which restricts the flow jug from turning at the correct speed, and therefore causes a problem with the machine being unable to fill in the allocated period of time. And this is why the machine turns off early and empties. Now, what I've done for you, as I said, I've managed to get you the exploded diagrams of your machine, and the links are basically, each of the diagrams has reference numbers on them, and you will be able to match that up to a full list of spare parts at the bottom of the page, and then they are clickable links that will do a search for the spare part that you require. You can just buy a new flow matrix, but to be honest with you, they're very expensive for what they are. The flow jug is quite cheap and easy to replace. You only need to actually disconnect the electrics. Be careful. It's got a clip on it that you need to undo. But all this information, including the video which I was on about on how to change the flow jug, is all on this page for you. I hope this helps you, and I hope you manage to get your machine back up and running again. Good luck with your repair.